Today we will talk about classification of functions. We classify functions in one by number of images they have. So we call one function if there is no element in codomain which has two or more pre-images. It is known as one, also known as injective function. I'll repeat. If there is no element in codomain which has two or more pre-images, it is known as one, also known as injective functions. Second is many one. If there is at least one element in codomain which has two or more pre-images, it is called many one function. You should note that every function is either one or many one. See, these are complementary. If this will happen, this cannot happen. If this happens, this will not happen. So every function is either one or many one. Now second classification is on two into. If there is no element in codomain which does not have a pre-image in domain. If there is no element in codomain which does not have a pre-image in domain, it is called onto function, also known as surjective. Into, if there is at least one element in codomain which does not have a pre-image, it is called into function. So again, we will note it again that every function is either onto or into. They are complementary. Either there will be no element or there will be at least one element which does not have a pre-image. So based on this, we classify functions in four categories. One is one function, one onto, also known as bijective. So one and onto. Second will be one into. Third is many one onto, and fourth is many one into. Testing for one. How do we come to know whether it is one or not? Given a function fx, we take if fx1 is equal to fx2. We in the function fx we put x is equal to x1. In function fx we put x is equal to x2 and equate them, and then we find its solution. If only solution is x1 is equal to x2, it is 1. If you can find any solution other than x1 x1 is equal to x2 within the defined domain, then it will be many one. For testing of onto, replace fx by y. You will get an equation between y and expression of x, and solve with x as your subject, x in terms of y. Once you express it x in terms of y, then you should find the domain of the expression of y. If this domain of y which you have found is a subset of codomain of the function, then it is into, and if it is domain of y is equal to codomain of function, then it is onto function. Okay with everybody? Like here we have taken a question from exercise 2.3, 16th. Given set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and set B is 4, 5, 6, 7. That means, and we have been given a function 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. We have to tell whether it is a function or not. Whether it is a 1. 4 has image 1, 5 has image 2. 4 has image 1, 5 has image 2, and 6 has image 3. None of them has 2 or more, so this is 1, right? Whether it is onto or not, 7, 4 has image 1, 5 has image 2, 6 has 3, right? But 7 has no pre-image, right? So because 7 does not have a pre-image in domain, it is in 2.